Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive solution for efficient business management. In this video, we're going to explore the stock function and learn how to create a shipping rule. Let's get started. To access the stock module, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Stock. This will take you to the stock dashboard. Here, you can manage your inventory, track stock levels, and set up shipping rules. Let's focus on creating a shipping rule. Select Shipping Rule under Items and Catalog menu. To create a new shipping rule, click on the Add Shipping Rule button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter shipping rule label. Next, select the applicable shipping rule type. Now, let's set up the accounting. Enter company and shipping account. Enter cost center for accounting dimensions. Next, set the conditions for the shipping rule. You can define rules based on criteria like fixed, net total, or net weight. Once the conditions are set, specify the shipping amount that should apply. Click Save to save your shipping rule finally. That's it. You've successfully created a shipping rule in Parsimony. With this rule in place, your system will automatically calculate shipping costs based on defined rules. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.